Joe Ellison out here on the Arkansas River in the Roseville community just south of Logan County. Take a look at these drumfish. The Arkansas Game and Fish Commission say they have found thousands washed up on the bank. They say a boat driver called them and told them that the fish were washing up the river as they were driving by. Residents have even called them, giving them the warning. Right now, health department officials are on scene. We will bring you the latest right here on 4029tv.com as it becomes available.
Massive fish and bird kills in Arkansas. Up to 5,000 blackbirds just fell from the sky in the town of Beebe. This happened just before midnight on New Year's Eve. And then tonight, we're learning that some 100,000 fish have washed up on the shores of the Arkansas River, which is about 125 miles from where the birds fell.
Tonight's top story. Lauren, do we know if there's a connection between these two?
Well, Scott, as you know, both cases are still being investigated, so really it is too early to tell. But the birds found locally, like this one right here, are identical to the ones found in Arkansas, and that was enough for one woman to panic and call us. Near her car, a dead bird. A quick walk to her mailbox, another. Scattered across Sandy's front yard, dead blackbirds.
I've never seen anything like that.
Thousands of dead fish floating in Volusia County. They were all in Spruce Creek in Port Orange. Channel 9's Jason Allen is there live. And Jason, you found out why this fish kill is so unusual.
It's unusual, according to people who live here, because it's warm outside. This usually happens when we have a big cold spell. We haven't had that here for about a week, and we've got the camera up on the bridge so that we can show you down the length of the creek right here, and you can see the fish lining the banks on both sides. Some people told us this is the worst kill that they've ever seen. Thousands of fish line the twists and turns of Spruce Creek in Port Orange. From Skywitness 9 HD, we could see the huge fish kill extending up and down the creek, both east and west of I-95. The sheer number of fish and the smell were both overwhelming.
It was fun last night trying to sleep with the smell going on.
Even with your windows closed and everything?
Yes.